Great little fun car. How's about this for open air motoring? Bit of a toy for the summer. One owner Mazda MX5 S 1.8 S, facing racing silver metallic. A very, very nice, clean, tidy example with very, very low mileage. October 1999, comes with the cherished number plate on the vehicle. Runs absolutely superb. These really are great fun cars. Beauty by the MX5s, they always start and go. So very reliable bit of sports car. Great condition all the way around. It really is has been very, very well cherished. We have lots of invoices, service history, original book pack. Bodywork is very tidy all the way around. There's no major dents, scratches, scuffs. It is a 1999 car. It is a part exchange to go. We'll give you a close-up to show you exactly what the car's like. No major damage to the wheels. Just had brand new rear discs and pads fitted to it. Again, that wheel, very good condition. All the front bumpers, everything. Again, no major dents or scratches or scuffs or dings anywhere on that. Offside front wheel, again, nice and clean. Front brakes not long been done. Again, all the tyres, all matching, all in great condition. Again, just down the bodywork. Just a little bit of bubbling just coming on that arch there. Offside rear wheel, again, great condition. So for a 1999 vehicle, it is very, very nice. Again, all the door trims, as there should be. Just look at the driver's seat. Again, there's no wear, not worn out, no rips, no tears. Over to the passenger seat, again, all the door trims, all very, very good. 5-speed manual gearbox. 48,092 miles, that's what it's done. 48,000 miles. 1999 vehicle. One owner. Sony stereo. Got a wind deflector there as well. I'll show you inside the boot. Got the tonneau cover as well with the vehicle. And a multi-change CD system, Sony. So that was an option all those years ago. If you're looking for a second car, bit of a fun summer car, this is a great value for money. All the hood in great condition. There's no rips, there's no tears, there's no burns. Proper rear glass window. Again, the hood, as you can see, all the way around. Great condition. And the hood literally takes 2-3 seconds to drop down. Just release the clamps and it drops right down. Let's show you under the bonnet. And if you look at the paintwork, all original under here, under the bonnet. So there we have it, our little MX5 S with 48,000 miles, one owner, 3 sets of keys, complete book pack, HPI checked and clear. If you want it, give us a call, 01782 822 700.